In this tutorial, I will show you how to create an animated quiz progress bar in Canva for viral quiz videos. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free and start designing right away. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click Create a Design and choose the presentation or video format so you get a widescreen canvas suitable for quiz videos. After the canvas opens, go to the Elements section and add a rectangle shape. Resize it and place it near the top or bottom of your slide. This rectangle will act as the background of the progress bar. Next, duplicate the rectangle and place the second one on top of the first rectangle. Change the color of this top shape so it stands out. This will be the moving part of the progress bar. Adjust the corners of the rectangles so they are rounded. This helps the progress bar look smooth and modern. Now duplicate the slide. On the second slide, slightly reduce the width of the top rectangle so the progress bar appears shorter. Continue duplicating the slide and reduce the bar length on each new slide. Each slide represents the quiz progressing toward the end. To create a smooth animation, add a transition between the slides. Select the transition option and choose Match and Move so the bar moves smoothly from one slide to the next. Preview the animation to make sure the progress bar moves smoothly across the slides. When everything looks good, click Share and then Download. Choose MP4 video so you can use the animated progress bar in your quiz videos.